We already talked about finding the mean. We talked about finding the mode last week. Today, we're going to talk about how to find the median of grouped data. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said, this is part of our series. If you haven't seen the other videos yet, click right here if you're watching this on YouTube so you can catch up. Today is all about the median. Now, just a quick little plug. If you want to help support this channel and our cause to democratize education in the Philippines, one way you can do that is by buying our merch. You can visit shop.teamlyqa.com for more information. That's where you can find all the shirts, mugs, hoodies, and stuff that I designed for this team. Sa mga nakabili na, maraming salamat po. Sa mga bibili pa lang, marami rin pong salamat. At sa mga hindi pa makakabili, okay lang din po yan kasi again, all of these things are just ways for us to make sure that I can keep making free content for you. So I appreciate all of our channel members, all of the sponsors, all of the people who support this channel and buy the merch, the books, kasi po you help keep the lights on pagdating sa advocacy na ito. And now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to switch over to my PC. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so this time, media naman yung pag-uusapan natin. And again, just a quick recap, statistics is all about collecting and understanding data, and we use measures of central tendency to kind of get an overview dun sa ano ba yung pinaka-common or pinaka-uso or nasaan banda yung peak pagdating sa curve ng ating data. And we'll talk about more details dito sa buong konsepto na to, no? Pero tapusin muna natin itong series natin ng group data right now. We're going to talk about yung median. Now, dun sa first video natin, we talked about the measures of central tendency. Ang median, it's the element na nasa gitna. Okay? So, nasa middle siya ng data set kung pipila sila lahat or i-arrange natin sila in order sa pinakamababa hanggang pinakamataas. And the problem again, kapag malaki na yung data set natin is masyadong tedious itong task na ito. Now, again, ito yung data na ginagamit natin for yung ating series on group data. Ginawa natin yung frequency distribution table which started out looking like this. Tapos dinagdagan natin siya for more information for the mean and then for our mode last time. Ngayon, median naman. So, ano yung mga information na gagamitin natin? Or ano yung mga parts ng ating formula when you're looking for the median? So, ito yung ating formula. Yung LM, and again, let me just say this as a disclaimer kasi baka nagugulat kayo, iba't ibang letter yung ginagamit. Depende talaga yan dun sa school ninyo or kung ano yung standard ngayon. Ginamit ko lang kung ano yung familiar sa akin kasi when I was studying it was like this. Pero kung ibang letter yung nakalagay, like ito minsan nakalagay B, capital B siya, or minsan ibang letter siya. Ang importante lang is it's the same information naman. Iba lang yung representation niya. Like itong class width, minsan I, minsan W, minsan C. So, kung ano man yung letter ginagamit sa inyong school, follow that. But again, the concept is the same. And the information na ilalagay nyo is still the same. Gusto ko lang i-explain isa-isa. Ito yung lower boundary of the median class. So, again, last time naman sa mode, ginawa natin, di ba, in-explain ko sa inyo, minsan, ganito yung tawag. O, L tas BMC or LMC. Okay? Kung ano man yung tawag. Pero again, it's just the lower boundary of the median class. Yung total frequency, lahat-lahat sila. Nagamit na natin since the beginning yan. Yung frequency ng class median, okay, ginamit din natin yung term na yan last time, tsaka yung class width. Ito yung bago. Okay, and again, minsan tawag dyan B or capital B, but it's the cumulative frequency before class median. So, bagong concept itong cumulative frequency na yan at gagawin natin yan ngayon. Ito yung table natin, no? So, nagdagdag lang ako ng separate na column for cumulative frequency at saka lower boundary. Kasi even before we get started dun sa ating formula, hahanapin natin itong mga ito. Okay? Now, simulan natin dun sa pinakataas. Ang cumulative frequency kasi pag sinabing cumulative, ibig sabihin pinagsama-sama, no? So, ang ginagawa natin dyan, we start out with yung pinaka-mababa or yung pinakataas. Ilalagay natin yung frequency nung number na yon. So, ito, we have yung 19. Okay? So, 19 sa first row. Tapos, ang trick here would be, ang gagawin natin para makuha natin sa susunod is, i-add natin, okay? I-add natin siya yung susunod doon sa meron na sa taas. Okay? So we have 19 plus 19, that is 38. So again, parang basically kung yung una, 19, pagdating mo dito, lahat sila 38 na. Next, ang kukunin mo, lahat naman sila. So ang gagawin din natin, again, i-add lang natin yung 14 doon sa 38. Now we have 40, 52. Okay? So 52 na dyan. Tapos, kung gusto kong tapusin, 52 plus 15, that's going to give me 67. This is going to give me 87. Tapos, ito, magiging 100. So, again, to check, dapat yung dulo dito, laging 100 siya. Okay? Now, for on group data, ang ginagawa natin, di ba, pinapapila natin sila. Or, kukunin natin yung, kung ilan yung mga laman ng data. So, ito, 100. Gagawin natin, di ba, ginagawa natin is 100 plus 1. Tapos divided by 2. Okay, so this is 101 over 2 or 50.5. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakagitnang-gitna or median would be yung number na pang 50.5 dun sa buong listahan na yon. Now, ang tanong, nasaan siya banda? So, kung 50.5 yan, tapos itong part na to hanggang 38 lang, ito, paglagpas or pagdating sa dulo, nasa 52. Ibig sabihin, dito sa banda dito, sa loob nito, isa sa 14 na yan, yung pang 50.5. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging median class natin would be this. Okay, yung 101 to 110. At pag na-determine na natin yan, hahanapin na natin yung information na lower boundary. Ano ba yung lower boundary niya? So, again, ginagawa natin, di ba, 101 minus 0.5. So, this will be 100.5. So, yan yung lower boundary ng median class natin. Okay? And now we have all the information that we need to complete the formula. So, here we have yung L sub M or yung L na lang, yung lower limit ng median class. So, 100.5. Tapos, plus yung quantity daw. Sa taas, we have n over 2. Ang n natin is 100. Divided natin sa 2. Minus, now dito na tayo sa f, no? Yung f is the cumulative frequency before the median class. At ito yon. Okay? Ito yon. So, before it, ang cumulative frequency is 38. So, lalagay natin dito yung 38. Tapos, lahat yan, all over, yung frequency ng median class. Ang frequency ng median class natin is 14. So, you'll put 14 here. Tapos, buuin lang natin yung ating parentheses. We have I. Yung I is yung class width, no? So, dito, we have 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So, 10 yung ating class width. Yan yung ginamit natin dati pa. Kompleto na tayo. So, magsasolve na tayo ngayon. Okay? So, i-solve down lang natin. We have 100.5 plus, and then we have 100 divided by 2, which is 50, minus 38. Tapos, all over 14 times 10. Or, 100.5 plus 50 minus 38 is 12 over 14 times 10. Okay? So, kung gagamitin natin yan ng calculator, dire-diretso lang yan. Kung gusto nyo i-smallest terms to, pwede rin. So, magiging 6 over 7 siya. Para lang mas handy siya, no? So, una natin gagawin, again, PEMDAS. So, multiplication muna. So, ito muna. I-multiply muna natin yan. You have 6 over 7. Tapos, times 10. That is going to give us 8. So, saan ko ba lalagay? Wala tayong paglalagyan dito sa baba. Sa taas na lang, no? So, this is going to be 8.57. Yan. Medyo naglolo ko na yung aking tablet. Nagpaparamdam na yata. So, 8.57. Tapos, plus dun sa 100.5. So, idadagdag lang natin siya sa 100.5, which is yung lower limit. Ang lalabas dyan is 109.07. So, yun yung ating median, 109.07. If you notice again, it's still inside this, but not exactly yung midpoint ng dalawa na numbers na 101 at 110. Okay? So, yan yung ating sagot, 109.07. Okay, so again, susundan nyo lang yung formula, pay attention to the details, and you'll be good to go. Now, the best way for you to test if you understand this would be for you to have your quick quiz. So if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. All right, let's see how you did. So again, we are going to use the same data set that we did before. Naglagay lang tayo ng provisions for yung cumulative frequency tsaka lower boundary. But it's the same information as before. Maganda rin siguro kung titingnan natin yung i-compare natin yan, yung ating mean, median, and mode sa mga susunod na mga videos. Again, this is a complete, well, I'm trying to make it as complete as possible na series on statistics. So more about yung interpretation nito at kung ano yung mga pwede pa natin kunin, including standard deviation in the next video sa series. Okay? So, solve muna natin ito. Let's take the cumulative frequency. So, sa taas, we have 15. So, this 15 naman plus 17 is 32. This is 42. This is 56. This is 67. So, in-add ko lang siya, no? In-add ko lang again yung kasunod. So, we have 70, 82. This is going to give us 93. And then 100. So, check tayo dyan. Kasi again, 100, 100. Now, the next thing that we're going to look for would be yung median class natin. So, again, 100 ito. So, 50.5 pa rin yung hinahanap natin. Yung pang 50.5. Saan siya banda? That would be right here. Okay, pasok siya dito. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating magiging median class. Yan, yung 76 to 80. So, now that we have that, let's get yung lower boundary niya. That would be 76 minus 0.5 or 75.5. So, yun na yung ating L sub M, 75.5. Plus, okay, dadagdag na natin yung ibang information. Yung N natin or total number ng number sa loob ng ating dataset is 100 over 2. Tapos, ima-minus natin or subtract natin yung F or B minsan. Ano yan? Yung cumulative frequency before the median class. So, that is 42. Okay. Tapos, all over yung frequency ng median class natin. Okay, we'll just stop right here muna for a second kasi I just want to say na yung first version nung video na ito, I made a mistake. And that is bilang yung frequency ng median class, ang nakuha kong value was 56. When in fact, ito dapat siya, 14. So I just want to thank the ones who spotted that error. And salamat sa pagsabi sa akin na may mali dito. So Lawrence, Katha, nakita ko yung kanyang comment at saka of course, si Ate Ann Hinanay who messaged me. Thank you for spotting that. And siguro let me just say this then, no? Yun yung lagi natin sinasabi dito sa stat series natin. Pagdating sa statistics, yung mga small details talaga yung nagiging problematic. So, thank you for letting me know about my mistake. And now, we're going to solve this na. Okay? So, 14 yung frequency ng ating median class. So, dito lalagay natin yung 14. Okay? Tapos, yung I natin, which is yung interval, is going to be the same as before, 5, kasi 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So, 5 siya dapat. Okay? At yan na yung magiging equation natin. So, ulitin natin ulit ito. You have 75.5 plus, tapos 100 over 2, that is 50, minus 42 over 14 times 5. Okay? So, ulitin natin, 75.5 plus, ito ay magiging 8 over 14 times 5. Okay? So, this will be yung 8 over 14 natin, pwede natin i-reduce to, magiging 4 over 7 siya. Okay, so ang gagawin natin next, we can do yung 8 times, 8 times 5, or yung 4 times 5, tapos di-divide natin siya dun sa denominator. So, ang lalabas dyan should be 2.86. Okay? Tapos yung 2.86 na yan, idadagdag natin doon sa 75.5 natin. So, the answer would be 78.36. Okay? So, yun yung ating median. Okay? So, again, that's the lesson here pagdating sa stat. It's very important to pay close attention to every detail. Kaya, I hope you really do that when you have your quizzes, when you study. And, okay, thank you again sa people who are correcting me when I'm wrong sa mga videos. One thing now I want you guys to take away here then is that na we all make mistakes and it's very important for us to listen to other people then para makorek natin yung mga yon. Okay? Now, if you got it wrong then, like me nung first time, or if nagkaroon ka ng challenges and we didn't get to the same answer, it's always good na balikan ito hanggang makuha natin yung tamang sagot. Okay? I hope you got the same answer. If you didn't, that's okay. Again, I'll be preparing more handouts for you. If ready na siya, nandun siya sa description box sa video na ito, or nakapin siya sa top comment para makapag-practice kayo sa isang set ng data na merong answer key. And you will use all of the skills that we have learned so far sa series na ito. But again, we're going to talk about more naman. And if you want more exercises sa iba pang mga topics that we have, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. You can find me on Instagram at Lyqa Maravilla. So yung quick quiz natin na doon sa Instagram story, meron dong function na quiz. Malalaman nyo agad kung tama kayo o mali. I post new questions doon whenever I come up with them. And kung gusto niyo additional na mga quizzes din, mga throwback questions from other videos and other topics, and important announcements sa ibang mga ganap natin, you can follow me at Team Lyqa then on Instagram. Kung may TikTok naman kayo, I still post videos doon, mga educational videos din sa at Team Lyqa for math, English, at iba pang topics. And yung mga mas personal naman na videos, including a look into how goofy I am in person, you can find them sa at Lyqa Maravilla. Nandun din yung motivational videos, tips, at advice. Okay? See you guys online. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and mag-exam din sila. That way, mas marami tayong matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers that I made, join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlyqa for more information. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na and hit that bell icon para hindi nyo mamiss yung magpaparating pa lang ng mga lessons. We will try to complete the statistics series with a breather or two lang in between. So for those of you who are waiting for yung mga topics about variance, standard deviation, percentile, quartile, we'll get to that soon. So don't forget to ring that bell, okay? And now that we are done, just one thing left to say. As we always say sa channel nito, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.